What's going on, everyone, and welcome back to another PlayStation tips and tricks video. Today I'm going to show you some PlayStation life hacks that are actually worth trying. If you enjoy these types of PS4 videos, then make sure to leave a like rating for good luck, and we'll get started with number 1. Have you ever wanted to log into your PlayStation without letting any of your friends know that you're online? Well, you can with the secret login feature. Just hit the options button when you're at the login screen and select login with offline status. I'm surprised that more people don't know about this one, but it's actually very clever. Coming in at number 2, this one lets you turn your PlayStation off and on with just your smartphone. To do this, you need to download the PlayStation Second Screen app, which will pair your phone with your PS4. Here's the instructions from the PlayStation website on how to set up the Second Screen app. You can pause the video if you need to, but once you have your phone connected to your PS4, just hit the power button. It's that easy. Coming in at number 3, this one lets you put your PS4 into rest mode without closing the game that you're currently playing. Simply go to Settings, Power Save Settings, set features available in rest mode, and check Keep Application Suspended. Now you can go to sleep after a long night of gaming, wake up the next day, and continue right where you left off. Number 4 lets you voice chat with your PlayStation friends directly from your smartphone. Has your mom or dad ever told you to go to bed but you still want to talk to your friends? Well, all you got to do is just turn off the TV, leave the PlayStation on, and use the Remote Play app to voice chat. Here's the instructions from the PlayStation website on how to set up the Remote Play app. You can pause the video if you need to. Now you can just plug in your headphones, join your party remotely, and stay up all night. When you're done, just turn off your PlayStation with the app. You're welcome. Number 5 lets you see only when your best friends go online. Instead of getting bombarded with tons of notifications of people going online, just go to your settings, notifications, and select notifications when friends go online. Then deselect everyone from the list and only keep a check mark next to the people you squad up with. It will make your life a lot easier. Last but not least, number 6 is basically the ultimate troll to anyone who's playing your PS4. If you download the PlayStation Second Screen app, you can secretly do controller movements while someone else is playing. It's actually really funny if you do it as a prank because there's no way for the other person to know. All you have to do is download and set up the app using the official instructions on screen, and then you can use the directional arrows and buttons to secretly mess with your friend or family member who's playing. But there you guys have it. I hope that you all enjoyed this video and found it useful or at least interesting, and if you did, make sure to leave a like rating on the video, comment below to let me know what you think, and as always, don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for post notifications. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.